Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 27th of April. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me, want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Sagittarius, your person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you. Ten of Wands, King of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. This situation is weighing them down to the level of them feeling this is very heavy, this is very burdensome, this is something that I can't handle. At the same time, this person is not able to ignore the fact that they are very much attracted to the idea of having a brand new beginning with you. They can't stop thinking about you. This person is still feeling very passionate, very attracted to the idea of being with you. The whole situation them in itself is kind of a situation that's weighing them down, that's putting them in a lot of pressure, but they can't stop thinking about you. They can't stop getting attracted to the idea of being with you and having this brand new beginning with you. Solid, committed one. Ace of Pentacles is the most reliable card when it comes to brand new beginnings. Okay, so there's heaviness, there is attraction, there is pull, magnetic pull towards you, and there's this sense of feeling like having a brand new beginning with you. But the heaviness is kind of taking over the feelings here. That's what's happening. Let's see what this person wants from you. Wow, okay, this person's energies are all over the place. First of all, they want something today, they want something else tomorrow, then they want something today, then they want something else tomorrow. For sure this is happening. Let's see from the cards. Six of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. Told ya. They want to have a balanced kind of energy in the situation because they still have the love for you. They still have the situation, still have the feelings for you, still have the soulmate kind of energy for you. But at the same time, they want to get out of their head and balance it out with you somehow. There is a lot of depressing energy. Just give me a situation. Got nervous when I got this suddenly out of the blue coming of somebody. Come back, come back, come back. Come back, come back, come back. I don't know what's wrong with me. Just bear with me. My inner child is working a lot these days. Okay, Sagittarius, I want to ask you guys something. Can you see the change in my facial features from last few days, 15, 20 days and today? Can you see the change or changes? By the way, somebody gifted me these glasses. I love them. Love them for my birthday. It's on 12th May. Don't forget to wish me. God, my hair getting like crazy. Anyway, so this person wants to have a balanced kind of energy in the situation. They want to bring the love back in the situation. There's love in the situation, but that's deep, deep, deep buried. There's a lot of anxiety, a lot of depression, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of overthinking. So they want to get over all of this and balance it out with you. Balancing it out sometimes means letting it go completely, sometimes means coming back together completely. But this person wants to have one way, one particular way to tackle this situation so that they can either move on or come back completely. Cool. They're tired, they're stressed out, not able to understand what the actual heck is going on. Let's see what is coming forward towards you till the 27th of April. We have the Five of Cups, Seven of Cups, Death card, God. This person is choosing to suffer in silence instead of doing anything about it. They're so emotionally confused. They're so emotionally in this energy of, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I want to figure it out, I want to figure it out. And right now they are in the self victimization mode. I'm not saying that they are doing it deliberately or they're trying to manipulate or trying to do something stupid here. No, I'm telling you, this person is stressed out as hell and they're feeling very heavy and burdensome. And that is why this person is not able to do anything in this direction. This person is emotionally numb. Have you gone through something in your life where you felt you don't know what you want, you don't know what you feel? You just survive, you just are surviving and you're just trying to figure out what you should do. That's what happening with this particular person, where they are feeling emotionally numb to do anything about the situation. but they want to bring it back somehow to normal, to balance. God, help this man, please, or woman, or any gender. Help this poor soul. For you, the guidance here is the Page of Pentacles. Don't wait for this person or this energy to come back around and have a brand new beginning and give you happiness or something. Start your life without this particular person. Start going in directions that you know are unknown but good for you. You have to get out of your comfortable zone, Sagittarius, in order to have that brand new beginning that you're hoping to have with this particular person, maybe. But this person is going through a lot in their life that they might never come back. Just giving you a reality check. Might be they will, at the end of the day or at the end of their healing, they will choose to just walk away and never come back. God knows, universe knows. Okay, so if you are waiting and hoping for this person to come back around and give you the life that you want or deserve, bullshit. You have to create it for yourself. And if you're waiting for this person, you are the one to blame here, not them or anyone or the universe or anything. Stop the blame game, honey, and just start your life. Do whatever you feel you should get from somebody else, give it to yourself and start going out of your comfort zone. Maybe your bed. Yeah. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.